Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to explain how any business or individual can participate in the government e-marketplace, commonly known as GeM, as a seller. GeM is a revolutionary platform started by the government of India to make government purchasing transparent, fast and digital. Through this portal, sellers can directly connect with government buyers across the country. By the end of this presentation, you will clearly understand who can register, what documents are required, how registration is done, and how you can start selling to government departments. GeM stands for Government E-Marketplace. This is an online portal where government departments purchase goods and services. Earlier, government procurement involved long paperwork, middlemen, and delays. GeM has replaced that system with a fully digital and transparent process. All ministries, departments, public sector undertakings, and even local bodies like municipalities use GeM to buy items such as furniture, computers, stationery, cleaning services, manpower service, and much more. Selling on GeM gives you direct access to lakhs of government buyers across India. There are no middlemen, so the purchase is fair and transparent. Payments are secure and directly credited to your bank account. Even a small seller from a village can supply to a big government office in another state. This platform truly opens national level opportunities for small businesses, startups, and MSMEs. Almost anyone who wants to do business legally can register on GeM. Manufacturers, traders, resellers, startups, MSMEs, service providers, and even individual entrepreneurs are allowed. You do not need a big company setup. Even a small shop owner or a home based entrepreneur can become a GeM seller as long as basic documents are available. To register on GeM, a few basic documents are required. You need your PAN card, Aadhaar linked with mobile, bank account details, and a working email ID. If your business is registered under GST, then GST details are also needed. You will also provide your business address. These documents ensure that only genuine sellers are onboarded. The registration process is completely online. First, visit gem.gov.in and click on Sign up as a seller. You verify your Aadhaar and mobile number, then you enter your PAN and business detail. Next, you add your bank account. After completing your profile and selecting categories, you submit the form for verification. Once approved, your seller account becomes active. After registration, you get access to your seller dashboard. From here, you choose your product or service categories. You can upload your brand, create your catalog, and set prices. Once your products are approved, they become visible to government buyers across the country. This is where your real journey as a gem seller begins. Listing products correctly is very important. You must choose the correct category, fill in accurate specifications, upload clear images, and set a competitive price. GEM checks every listing before approval. Proper and honest listing increases your chance of getting orders and building trust with buyers. On GEM, you can participate in bids, reverse auctions, and BOQ, which stand for Bill of Quantity for bulk orders. Government buyers invite sellers to quote prices. Sellers compete by offering the best value, timely response, and smart pricing are key here. Many sellers get big orders through this process. When a buyer selects you, you receive a purchase order, also called a PO. You must accept it online, deliver the goods or services within the given timeline, and upload invoice and delivery proof. Timely delivery and quality service improve your rating, which helps you get more orders in the future. One of the biggest advantage of GEM is secure payment. Payments are processed through the GEM system and directly credited to your bank account, usually within 10 days. You can track payment status online, so there is no uncertainty or follow up required. Tips for success. To succeed on GEM, keep your prices competitive. Always maintain product quality and delivery timelines. Respond quickly to bids and queries. Update your stock regularly. Good performance leads to better ratings, and better ratings bring more orders. GeM provides strong support to sellers. There is a dedicated help desk and email support, training videos, and even state and district level offices. So, even if you are new, you are never alone in this journey. With proper guidance, anyone can become a successful GeM seller. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Hit the like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe for more such content.